Choosing a reliable web hosting. When it comes to creating a website, one of the most important decisions you'll need to make is choosing a reliable web hosting service. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to determine which provider is the best fit for your needs. In this article, we will explore the top 5 website hosting services that are expected to dominate the market in 2024.1. Bluehost. Bluehost is a popular choice for many website owners due to its beginner-friendly interface and excellent customer support. With a variety of hosting plans to choose from, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, Bluehost can accommodate websites of all sizes. They also offer 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and phone, ensuring that any issues you encounter will be resolved quickly. In addition, Bluehost provides a one-click WordPress installation, making it a great choice for bloggers and small business owners. Point 2. HostGator. HostGator is another well-known hosting provider that offers a range of hosting options, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. With their easy-to-use control panel and unlimited storage and bandwidth, HostGator is an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced website owners. They also provide a 45-day money-back guarantee, allowing you to try their services risk-free. HostGator's 24/7 customer support is highly regarded, ensuring that you will receive assistance whenever you need it. Point 3. SiteGround. SiteGround is a reputable hosting service known for its exceptional performance and security features. They offer a variety of hosting plans, including shared, cloud, and dedicated hosting, allowing you to scale your website as it grows. SiteGround's unique SuperCache technology provides fast loading times, enhancing the user experience. Additionally, their customer support team is available 24/7 to address any concerns or provide guidance. SiteGround is an ideal choice for websites that prioritize speed and security. Point 4. DreamHost. DreamHost is a reliable hosting service that boasts an impressive uptime guarantee of 100%. With their easy-to-use control panel and unlimited bandwidth, DreamHost makes it simple to manage your website. They also offer a range of hosting options, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. DreamHost customer support is available 24/7 via live chat and email, ensuring that you will receive timely assistance whenever you need it. If you're looking for a hosting provider with a strong uptime record, DreamHost is a great choice. Point 5. A2 Hosting. A2 Hosting is known for its exceptional speed and reliability. With their turbo servers, A2 Hosting can deliver page load times up to 20 times faster than traditional hosting. They offer a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your needs. A2 Hosting also provides a 30-day money-back guarantee, giving you the opportunity to test their services without any financial risk. Their customer support team is available 24/7 to assist with any inquiries or technical issues. In conclusion, choosing the right web hosting service is crucial for the success of your website. The top 5 hosting providers in 2024, including Bluehost, HostGator, SiteGround, DreamHost, and A2 Hosting, offer a variety of features and excellent customer support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website owner, these providers have options that can accommodate your needs. Consider your specific requirements and priorities, such as speed, security, and scalability, when selecting a web hosting service.